Hi guys, so the first look I'm doing is the look she was wearing in the beginning of the music video. It didn't last long, but I'm doing two looks in one today. So the first look I'm doing is the light pink look. I definitely made it more natural than how she is wearing it in the music video because she had a little bit more eyeliner on, but I definitely wanted to make this wearable but emulating her look. So I'm just adding some matte foundation, even though she's pretty glowy, but I'm gonna change that with some powders and cream highlighters and all that. And I'm wearing a wig right now. This isn't my hair, obviously. It looks totally fake. But yeah, so I'm concealing now. I cannot believe that I have never done a JLo look on my channel, like never. So many people compare me to her on a daily basis. I'm just like, no, I wish, but I just can't believe I've never done it. She's got like iconic looks in the early 2000s and late 90s. I'm like, that's what my channel's all about, and I haven't done a JLo look. Where have I been? Yeah, she has a bunch of other music videos that I want to recreate too. So that's what I'm trying to do on my channel, is go back in time and recreate those iconic pop star looks. So I can't wait to get started with that. And I have a lot of things going on. So now I'm just using Fenty Beauty's Universal Invisimatte powder. And what I like about this powder is it's really good, but it does get oily throughout the day. So that's why I'm using this powder, because I'm trying to have a glowy look, because who is JLo without the glow, right? So now I'm taking my Hoola bronzer, and her nose is wider than mine. So mine is more narrow compared to hers. I'm not trying to make myself look like her or transform myself into her at all. I'm just trying to get a little bit more of her features just so the look can be stand out a little bit more. But most of my tutorials, I'm not transforming into anybody. I just do the makeup like exactly how they did it. So if I look like a few people that I've ever done makeup tutorials on, it's just because I did the exact same look as them. So the mind's playing a trick on you. You think that I look like them, but I don't. So don't get my hopes up. So now I'm taking blush, and she has a heavy amount of blush on. So I'm placing that, and this blush has sparkles in it. This is from e.l.f. So it's glowy. Then I'm taking China White from the Beauty Killer palette, and I'm gonna and I'm gonna frost my eye. I'm frosting my eye hardcore right now. So China White's perfect for that. So yeah, I am frosting that. And after that, oh, still frosting my eye. After that, I'm gonna move on to like pinky eyeshadow. And I'm going to do something a little different that I've never done before, but I'm taking Princess, and this is just like a base, honestly. It didn't really do anything, so it's not too pigmented. So I'm just like putting a base on my lids before I move on to the actual eyeshadow that I want to use, which is just this pink blush right here. Oh, the exposure is so bright. I tried turning that down. It was annoying. Just using my finger to pat that in. But her eye looked pretty glossy, so I'm going to do something a little interesting in a little bit. And like I said, I did make this look way more natural because I think she's wearing bottom eyeliner, and I didn't notice that until really looking at the music video. I just got most of the pictures off of Tumblr, and in Tumblr they're a little blurry, so I couldn't tell that she had eyeliner on, but don't mind me. So now I'm actually putting lip gloss on my eyes. This sounds crazy, but they did this back then. I don't know if they used lip gloss, but the glossy lids were pretty popular back then. I'm pretty sure they just used a really shiny eyeshadow, but I just thought it would be a lot of fun, and it looked pretty JLo to me, in my opinion. You don't have to be crazy like me, but I think glossy lids are pretty cool. You can skip out if you want. Now I'm curling my eyelashes and putting a lot of mascara on. I'm not adding falsies because I wanted to keep this look natural, because the next look is pretty dramatic. So that's all the mascara. And now I am just using Cream Sheen, yeah, by MAC. And it's just a light pink lip. And yeah, just taking NARS in, I can't remember the name. Everything will be listed below. Turkish Delight, there you go. So that's the first JLo look. Now let's move on to her dramatic look. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a white eyeshadow. You can use any white eyeshadow, but I'm going to use this color right here, and I'm going to place it all over my lid, and it's just a basic white eyeshadow. And you want to make sure that you heavily coat it, because J-Lo was all about that frosty look back in the day, so we just want to make sure that we heavily place that underneath our brow bone area. And then I'm also going to spread it all over the lid, because we are going to have some highlighted areas in the front. So you could just spread that across with your finger, and now we have that white space right there. And then I'm going to be using the Maybelline Eye Studio eyeshadow in Caffeine Rush, and it just looks like this. And I'm going to take this color right here. You just want a nice beigey looking color. I'm going to place that all over the lid, creating a dome-like shape. Okay, after I place that eyeshadow down right there, I'm going to take this again, and I'm going to take these shades right here. So I'm going to place this in the inner corner again, and then this gold shimmering shade on the top, and that's just going to give the look that she has. She has lots of brightening up right there. You want to do that before moving on to the intense eyeliner part. Want to take it all the way up. Just want to make sure it's really bright in the inner corner and slightly glittery. As you see, that's what we're working with right now. Now I'm just going to take a darker color to build up that dome we have. And I'm going to use espresso first, and then I'll go in with black, and then after that I'll go over it with a liquid eyeliner. So you just want to make sure you're being very precise when you're doing this, because there will be fallout unless you just take the risk and use a eyeliner right away. But if you mess up, it's going to be harder to clean up. Make sure you go only slightly halfway, like right here. That's the only place you want to go, and stop. Of your eye right here, that's where you're going to create that feline-ish art, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. I'm really concentrating right now. So now you're going to want to go in with black, because that's what she's got going on. Be very careful. Okay, now this is when we're going to start doing the liquid eyeliner. So this is when you want to be extra precise and just try your hardest here. So I'm just using my favorite Stila liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to just go over that and also extend it in the inner corner over here. So go over the line. mix some brown on there so it's not super harsh. And then blend it in. You kind of want to make sure that it's blended in and it's not too dark, because you want to make sure your face is nice and bright. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this peachy blush right here, and it's called Stardust from Too Faced, and she just looks really glowy. Then you want to take some highlighter and use some on your fingers. And I just like to use an eyeshadow a lot of the time, so I'm just going to take this color called Nude in here, and I'm going to place that as a highlighter, and it looks like she has a lot on her nose. A little bit down the bridge. And then it looks like she has a little bit like right here. So see how that just like brightened up the face? That's what I wanted. You can use your hands like me, because I'm not going for the modern type of highlight. I'm doing more of the J-Lo highlight. I feel like she started it all. Okay, so that's the highlight. Make sure it's blended in and melted in, because it's just... Okay, now I'm gonna do the nude lip that she's rocking. I'll be right back. So now I'm going to use a quick lip liner real quick. This is Stripped Down by MAC. And on top of that, I'll be using Hue. So she looked like she had quite a pouty lip, so I'm going to recreate that. And she also had a really glossy lip too. So I'm going to... mirrors over here, so I'm looking over here. Now I'm taking Glow from Victoria's Secret,